So Comica just released a brand new wireless microphone system called the Vimo S. It's a dual wireless microphone system in this tiny little package. And check this out. Right? That is so cool. And you're listening to it right now. That's why I'm not showing it to you off, because I'm using the camera thing and the microphone. Check 1 2, check 1 2. Yeah, see? It sounds really good. But let me tell you all about this.
We're black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here and you like this kind of stuff, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it easily, plus a surprise link. So let me just quickly show you what you get in the box, and thank you Zoe from Comica for the nice little note. That was really cool. Okay, so in the box, you get the mic system right here. This is basically it. But you also get a USB-C splitter to female 3.5mm and a USB-C output, and I'll explain more about this later on. You also get a USB-C charging cable, 2 wind muffs, some stickers, and a thorough set of instructions. The system is really cool and just different. Right off the bat, you can see the battery status of the microphones and of the charger, and the mics just sit nicely in there to charge. And because the case has its own battery, it will keep them charged up as well. And this will give you 5 hours of use on both microphones, but also up to 15 hours total with just using the case. Looking at the mics, you get a nice little clip on there, a button that you can press to mute it, or a long press to turn on denoise. Just in case you're around some like loud droning noises, you can actually use that denoise to get rid of it. The wind muffs are really easy just to fit right over the microphone, and it's very secure and cuts down any wind noises that you have if you're filming anything outside. So I have Emma here, and we're gonna test the 2 microphone systems. She's got one, I have one.
Hello.
Hello, hello, yeah. So we also have the wind muffs on here. I always have to remember how to talk with a wireless, so like I always feel like I have to yell to the camera.
Yeah, but it's actually
it's just right here.
So you can talk at your normal
pace.
Level.
Level. That's actually better. Okay. So that's a denoise.
Cool.
So the noise, which means it should just be like just our voices. Any like airplanes flying by or whatever, you should be able to hear that. The receiver, and by the way, I love this design, and it caught me completely off guard. When I first pulled on that thing and saw that it pops out, I had no idea that was gonna happen. I was just like, that is awesome. And as you can see, it has a lightning port for direct and wire-free connection to your phone. They also do sell a USB-C version in case you have something other than an iPhone. When you plug it in, it immediately powers on and it's ready to roll. You can set this on stereo or mono in case you're using the 2 mics and you want to have 2 different channels split. That means we have the separate tracks. What's your favorite thing about December?
Presents.
Presents.
Yeah.
Which is really good if you're doing some post editing and maybe someone's a little bit quieter. You can actually up their volume without messing with your volume. There's also a volume knob on here so you can adjust the levels, and you can also listen in. With this little USB-C to headphone adapter, you can plug in your headphones and just monitor it directly, but they also have another port there so that you can plug it in and be charging your phone at the same time as listening in. That way, if you're doing a long video shoot or live stream, you can keep your phone charged up. The system is very sleek and it just looks so good when it's plugged into your phone. It just fits perfectly whether you have a case or not. And they say that the system gives you a super long distance of 200 meters or 650 feet.
Also, it's really hard to walk backwards in flip-flops / thongs. In case anyone ever wants to try it. It's a bit of a calf workout. And also I'm not very good at walking backwards.
Yeah, so that's insane. I mean, she went back 100 meters and you could hear her easily. There was not really any static or anything like that. I feel like it's weird to even test further than that because you can't even see, like there's no way to even verify that. So it's like, what's the point? This whole system is great. I think it's really cool. It comes in under $120 for the Lightning and under $100 for the USB-C. But do check the link because depending on when you're watching this, it might be on sale or it might have a discount on it. So always check that link in the description. You know, if you're traveling around and you don't want anything to take up a lot of space in your backpack or whatever, this is a really good way to go. But that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Comica for sending these in so I could share them with my viewers. It's a really cool system, and there's still a lot more cool products to show you on this channel. So always stay tuned, especially for some epic giveaways coming up. I'll see you next time.